here about 3 days ago. Got a few fish. Now we're getting a little closer to the weed bed, so we're hoping the bite will be a little bit better. Sun's starting to set. We have our tip ups out, ready to go. All baited up with sucker minnows, and we're gonna see if we get some flags. We have lights in these tip ups, so as it gets dark here, we'll see those when they go up, so make it a little easier. So getting excited for the bite. We'll have some luck tonight. I just went around and cleaned these holes out a little bit and checked the bait, and this one didn't have any bait on it. I just rebaited, and this happens all the time. Put it back down, you'll get a bite on that. I got him. Feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, nice walleye. First one of the night for us.
Way down the hatch?
No, he's right there. I can use your forceps. So. Since it's I was just saying, I just checked there's no bait on this and rebaited, and boom.
Yeah, you gotta wiggle them sometimes.
Yeah.
Get their attention. I'll get your other minnow.
Ooh, you can hear that. The ice moving there. It's the first ice out here. Early in the season yet, and here things are settling, but that's a beauty. Happy with that. Catch a few more like that, we'll have a nice dinner, clean them up, and really good eating. Really good eating out of this lake too, so I'm happy. Number one on the board. We got another flag here. Oh, I'm taking it here. He's taking some. Sure. Yeah, doesn't feel very big. Oh, a giant! Nice to. We're gonna obviously let him. Obviously, we're gonna let him go here. He's undersized, but they are starting to hit a little better. We've had a big storm blowing here over the last few days and just shut the fishing off, and it's finally starting to pick up a little bit more here, starting to stabilize again. So we're gonna get him back in the water. Then we'll go here. There he goes. Just bait it back up, see if we can catch a few more. And a few tonight, so that's good. Like I said, the weather is starting to get a little better. It's a little cooler today, but we had a bunch of snow pile in here. A big blizzard blew through. We're fishing the tail end of it, so every day should get a little better. Catching a few more fish. What we're using suckers, a treble hook, and a hook them right behind the back dorsal fin there. And then we're fishing about 2 feet off the bottom. And like I said, we're fishing on the edge of a weed bed. Pretty easy with the fish with tip ups. Just set them and check them every once in a while. Break the ice and make sure your minnows are lively. Haven't been taken off there. That's what happened on the first fish I caught there. Just keep up on it a little bit. Every half hour or so, do a round and check everything. That'll help a little bit with success too if you do that. It's important to keep up on that. So that's all set then. Boy, you take this up. Sorry. Watch it carefully. On there?
Yeah, I feel. Oh!
Safe?
Not bad. Oh, it's caught on the ice.
Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice, huh?
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Wow.
Well, we got a couple of decent ones tonight.
Yeah.
smaller one, but pretty much this is probably the last one of the night. We're gonna pack up and get off the lake. Got a few decent walleyes. I got a few for a meal. We'll do a little fish fry. Ooh, just walked.
Get them out of it.
Oh,
they're tough, when you get them in there.
Beauty.
Well, I'm happy.